Need funding to kickstart your dream business or finally expand on the one you've poured your heart and soul into? Well, you're not alone. Access to capital is the lifeblood of any successful venture, but it's often the biggest hurdle. So, what are your options? You could chase investors, pitch your idea, and ultimately give away a piece of your company. A percentage of your profits, your decision-making power, your equity. Is that really the best path moving forward? Now, what if I told you there's a way to get capital you need without sacrificing ownership, future profits? It's the power of 0% interest business funding. Many lenders offer introductory 0% APR periods on business credit cards, lines of credit. Now we're talking 6, 12, and even 36 months of interest-free funding. Perfect for covering startup costs, scaling your operations, or investing in growth, all without paying a dime in interest during that crucial period. This isn't just about saving money on interest. It's about retaining full control of your business, your vision, your future. You make the decisions and you reap the rewards. I know you might be thinking, well, Brandon, my credit score isn't perfect. I probably don't qualify. This specific loophole requires a 700 plus credit score. Now, don't worry if you're not there yet. We'll help you get there. We also specialize in boosting credit scores so you can unlock these incredible funding opportunities. We'll tackle errors on your report, lower your credit utilization, and build a strong credit profile that lenders love. Don't just take my word for it.
My name's Jace, and about a month ago, I was looking into starting a business focused on fix and flips. Now, what I quickly realized is that finding funding for that type of business in the market today is really difficult. Now, I knew I had the expertise, I knew I had the team behind me, and I knew I had the drive to be able to do exactly what I set out to do. I just didn't have the money. So I reached out to Brandon at Credit to Cash Flow, and he was able to get me $250,000 at a 0% APR in about 2 to 3 weeks, which was absolutely absurd.
They were facing the exact same challenges as you, and now they're thriving with 0% funding and 100% ownership. For a limited time, we're offering a complimentary call to see exactly where you stand and how we can help qualify you for 0% funding. Stop sacrificing equity and start building your business on your own terms. Click the link below to schedule your complimentary call to assess your current credit profile and take the first step towards unlocking the power of 0% business funding. Spaces are limited, so don't wait. Your business future is waiting.